As far as like the macros, I was reading the Wall Street Journal this morning, and they're all talking about how the analysts all got it wrong. And despite the like interest rates being like at 20-year highs, the S&P 500 is at all-time highs. And inflation is going down. And 2023 was a great year for stocks and even Bitcoin and Ethereum. Great, even better year for Bitcoin and Ethereum than like, for example, the S&P 500. And I think I nailed that because I said that elevated inflation is not sustainable, right? Because when prices go up, spending goes down, the velocity of money goes down, so inflation goes down. And that's why we're under 3% now. So there's that. And also, interest rates are not a good indicator. Interest rates are not something that you can rely on to trade or to predict markets, because even though the interest rates are at all-time highs, there is the prospect of, lowering inflation rates, and the market is smarter than you, and the market prices that in before you do. So even though interest rates haven't even been lowered once, and it's questionable whether they're going to raise them again, everybody's already saying, look, inflation's going down, interest rates will be lowered, and they're investing accordingly. And stocks have been going up like crazy. I mean, that's how it works. So if you waited for the lowering of interest rates, if you waited for Jerome Powell to get up on the podium and say, it looks like inflation has calmed down and we've reached a soft landing, we're going to take the rates down, and you thought that you were going to invest at a good time, you're wrong, because that's S&P 500 is already at all-time highs and Bitcoin's already at like 42,000. But lucky for you, Hex is still down. So even if you're putting in money now, it's still an ideal time. And it's still, I think 2024 is going to be a very bullish year. Even if they don't lower interest rates once, everyone knows that it's going down, if not 2024 and 2025. So I did nail that.